Oh yeah, well, okay, Kessler and Sandy is still completely underwater. I mean, like, yeah, I mean, like, everybody's out here swimming. I mean, people are, well, I mean, it's been underwater a little bit. I mean, it happened a couple weeks ago, but I mean, this is an hour and a half to stop raining. People are out here in rafts. Oh, wow, this is deep. Yeah. Well, I'm just walking down to the corner here. Yeah. Oh, well, there are all kinds of kids out here. It's not, I mean, it's, okay, I'm about by the drain in the corner here. No, it's, okay, well, the drain, it's going down the drain a little bit right now. I can see it swirling. It's pretty slow. There's a little green bug that was going to drive through here, and they're backing up. It's over halfway up to my knees here, and it's down, I mean, it's over halfway down to Calphus, and it's flooded in the center of the street, and you know, the edges are flooded down to Calphus and flooded about halfway in the other direction. Yeah. 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 Yeah, I told you about 2 hours ago. Okay, the middle of the street is cleared up about in front of Jensen's old house. So it's definitely gone down because the middle of the street was flooded to about Kirkus before. Just on the sides. I mean, the driveway, into the driveway had a lot of standing water actually. That never floods. I've never, that's too, it's a significant elevation difference, I think, up here from the corner. I mean, it's, you know, it's always hard to tell looking down streets, but I think it's a pretty, I think it's you know, maybe even a couple feet difference down there. Like, dog, why? Oh, really? Huh. Huh. I don't know. Whoa. Okay, I'm in the backyard here over on the by Kirkus side, and there's several inches of water. That's a mess away, grass. No, it's not. This is all clay. It's already, I mean, it's all, you know, hard enough that this isn't. And the ground's been saturated already. Yeah. Yeah, just from Appleton. So, wow, this is like a slough back here. Mulch has, this came down so much that mulch just got, you know, knocked out all over the place and floated all over. Like the worst I saw was like out Jan and John's yard. There's a whole pile of mulch. Looks like a few bags of mulch were dumped right next to the rock garden now because there's all flooded and flowed over this way. So, I don't know. I think I saw Jan around yesterday. So, yeah, this is a pretty like back by the center here, going over to Pharmacus, this is like one of the lower spots, and this is 3-4 inches here. Oh, Dad's home? Oh, I see. Oh. There's only a little water in Pharmacus's over by the back. That's not much at all. Oh, really? I don't know. Yeah, well, good, but yeah, it's still. I remember this back corner by the outside of the rock garden on Janet John's side always being kind of low, and yeah, this is about 6 inches deep here or so, and so. Okay. Okay. I'll talk to him later. Okay. Yeah, bye. And then we're up to the higher area here. Definitely a raise in elevation. Let me get up here. Still has enough water that gets held in there. But it's a good thing that this isn't a tree that gets upset about standing water. The green ashes. I was pretty happy about just about all the water you can give it. This is the wheelbarrow I was using last night. There was no water in it then.